Hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, aka it's Jenny. Come on in guys. And we've got 4 daily deals for you and an awesome low out of pocket Saturday scenario. And you want to know. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you want to know too. So look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way you will not miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here almost every day at Crazy Country Couponer. Alright, everybody, we got some glitches, we've got some really good almost free deals, and then we've got some daily deals. But before we get to that, please like and share the video and leave me that 3-word comment that YouTube loves to hear. And watch one of those ad things for me if you would too, please. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, first off, I want to tell you a few things. We've got, it's not really a glitch per se, I don't know, but it is supposed to be on the Swiffer refills or starter kits. It is a $5 off. Well, it's working on the $6 Swiffer Duster Starter Kit. Okay? Now, it's also attaching to the 5 off of 30 gain. But I wanted to show you something that is awesome, guys. I want you to look at this. We've got Dawn Power Wash Gain Scent on the 5 off of 30 gain. That's right. So now you can get that Primo Dawn and your gain together. Look at that. Some of our 2 favorite things together. So this is attaching to the 5 off of 30 coupon for gain scented items. So Dawn Power Wash, guys, gain scented. Do not clip this $2 off of the Swiffer refills, guys, because you have that $5 off, and this is attaching to the dusters. Okay, now unless you plan on doing a gain deal where you've got both of these items, this Swiffer starter kit duster and the dusting cloths, if you've got both of those items, then you can do this. But make sure you set your item for your $2 up first. Okay, so if you're getting a if you're getting 2 of the Swiffer wet cloth or dry cloths or dusting cloths, set them up first before you set up the $5 off Swiffer Duster Starter Kit. Boy, that's a lot. As you can see, you got that $5 off, and it's attaching to your Swiffer Duster Starter Kit. That's $6, okay? And so is this $2. So either don't clip the $2 or pick up double product so you'll have everything covered. Now, of course, you can use these in your gain 5 off of 30 deal as well. Okay, next thing we got going on is our daily deals. Like I said, we got 4. And we're going to do Finish Dish Detergent. You got 2 different coupons. You got a new $2 that posted today. It's working on the $5 red dot finish, okay? And it's working on the ultimate. So when you purchase these, put the red dot up first, okay? Because the $3 ultimate coupon is not working on the red dot. Put the red dot one up first. That $2 will come off. And then you'll put the ultimate up, and then the $3 will come off of that. Both of these products are $5. So you're looking at $10, $5 coming off, $5 out of pocket for 2 of these dish detergents, with a total of 20 of the little pods, because they're 10 packs. So, daily deal number 2. The daily deal number 2 is the Olay products, okay? And what we're looking for is the $3 coupon. These 3 different Olay coupons. You got one for $2 off of one for $3 off of 2, and one for $5 off of 2. So you're going to get the save $3, and you're going to pick up 2 of the Olay firming and hydrating hand and body lotion, okay, for $6.35. So that's $12.70. You're going to get $3 off your coupon and $3 off of your store coupon for when you purchase $10. Now, it's my understanding there's more than one type of this PG store coupon out there. There's also 5 off of 15, I think it is. But this is a 3 off of 10. So, you're going to pick, that would be that one. Your out of pocket for that would be $6.70, almost a BOGO. Now, the next one for your number 3 any day deal, and if you was wanting to do both of these, then you're going to have 2 accounts, okay? Because that $3 off store coupon only works on one. Alright? Now, on this particular one, you've got a $5 off of 2 body washes. And you're going to pick up 2 for $9. Makes it $18. And you're going to get 5 off, leaving you out of pocket of $10. So you could do either the body wash or the hand cream. Or you could probably do one of each and still save money. If you wanted to do one of the hand cream and one of the body washes, you could do that. And your last daily deal is going to be the Febreze products, guys. You've got a $2.30 on a $3.25 Febreze Air Effects. And then you've got a $2.30 off of Febreze warmer. Now, this is what I want to say to you about these free Airwick warmers. You could run out and get these today for free, okay, if you needed them. But these make good fillers for your 5 off 25 because it's a free product. Just like this Swiffer makes a wonderful filler for your 5 off of 25. Look how much you've got right here just in fillers. You have got $9 in fillers right here. That's all but free. Cost $1 for all 3 of those things. So, and these make good fillers when you have coupons like this. So, they're all but free. You want to keep that in mind. And if you're new here and you don't understand what I'm talking about, fillers, that's items that we use to bridge the gap to reach our 5 off of 25 with spending the least amount of money. So even if you don't need or want a product, sad to say, and it's free or close enough to free, it actually pays to buy that product and put it in your scenario because it will get you that extra $5 off. So I hope you understand that when I explain it that way. Now, we're going to go for our Saturday 5 off of 25 scenarios. So we're going to switch to our math page. Okay guys, this is our math page. Remember, we've got the Swiffer Duster Starter Kit for $6 and you got that $5 off coupon. But like I said, if you're going to use that in a gain scenario, don't mess with it. Next, we've got the 2 finished dish, 1 red dot and 1 ultimate. That's $10. You got $5 coming off. Your second your second daily deal is your Olay firming and hydrating lotion, 2 for $12.50. You got $6 coming off, $6.70 out of pocket. Your third choice of daily deal is 2 Olay body washes for $18. You've got $8 coming off, leaving you $10 out of pocket. And then you've got your fourth daily deal, and that is an Air Effect air freshener for $3.25. You got a $2.30 off coupon. That's going to leave you like 99 cents, something like that, out of pocket. I didn't finish that one. And then here is your 5 off 25 scenarios, guys. You're going to add your finish, your number 1 daily deal, your number 2 daily deal, and your number 4 daily deal together for a Saturday scenario. That's 2 finish, 2 Olay lotions, and 1 Febreze air effect. You're at $26.05. You got $18.30 in coupons coming off, leaving you a $7.75 out of pocket on 5 items. That's a winner, and well, right now. And then next, we're going to do an all Olay deal. We're going to pick up the 2 Olay lotions for $12.70 and 2 Olay body washes for $18. You got $16 coming off of a $30.70 purchase. Your out of pocket is $14.70, guys. That is more than half off. BOGO. Buy some and get some for free. So there you go, guys. That's your Monday daily deal. Stay tuned. We got Tuesdays coming up. And Wednesdays is going to be our food deal. And, of course, we'll have some informational videos peppered in between. So, thank you very much for stopping by. I love you bunches. Please don't forget to leave me that 3-word comment. And show me some love with some likes and shares. And I'll see you next time. Blessings.